Uncover the fun. Have a game night. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's all about fun, connection, and a bit of friendly competition. We're going to explore what it means to have a game night. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English phrases, you're in the right place. Have a game night is a phrase that's often heard among friends and families. But what does it actually mean? At its core, it's an invitation to gather and play games. These can be board games, card games, or even video games. The focus is on spending quality time together and enjoying each other's company. When someone says, "Let's have a game night," they're envisioning a cozy, fun-filled evening. Here are some common elements you might find. 1. Games. This is a given. From classics like Monopoly or chess to newer games, the options are endless. 2. People. Game nights are social events. They usually involve family or a close group of friends. 3. Snacks and drinks. To keep the energy up, snacks and drinks are often served. 4. Laughter and conversation. Beyond just playing games, these nights are for stories, jokes, and catching up with loved ones. Having a game night goes beyond just playing games. It's a way to strengthen bonds, create memories, and take a break from the digital world. In many cultures, it's a cherished tradition that fosters a sense of community and belonging. We hope this video has shed light on the delightful tradition of having a game night. It's not just about the games. It's about the laughter, the stories, and the connections made. So, gather your friends or family, pick your favorite games, and get ready to create some unforgettable memories. Until our next video, keep learning and keep playing.